Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B. Just wanted to do a relatively quick video. I'm looking into doing some streaming videos of me playing games. Now, a few years ago that probably wouldn't seem very interesting, but now it's become a thing and it's something I've become more and more aware of. And I do play a lot of games, and when I play games, I'm one of these people that tends to get quite animated, let's say, and it's not because I'm any good at them, it's quite the opposite. I get quite frustrated, not only with my lack of ability whilst playing games, but also the NPCs playing with me, so to speak. And yeah, so I tend to get a little bit sweary and frustrated with them. Not that I have a tantrum or anything, you know, come on, I'm 49, but I do find it frustrating sometimes playing games, as do a lot of people. But you know, I have been told that you know, it's kind of slightly entertaining actually watching me play a game. It's actually sometimes more entertaining than watching the game itself. So with that in mind, I've looked to I'm starting to look into streaming. I'm getting some hardware together to allow me to do that to a good standard. So with that in mind, I will be looking to stream initially from my PC, but I've also got an Xbox One X and a PlayStation Pro as well. I will be, if you look on this video, you'll see my Twitch, and I think that's the only one I've got so far. Oh, and Mixer feeds, so if you want to check those out, there won't be anything in there, but if you want to add me, that'll be fabulous. And once I've got all the hardware together, and once I've figured out how it all works, because it's actually a bit more complex and involved than what I thought it was, I will get it all together and we'll start streaming some games and having some fun. With the games in mind, let me know what games you would like me to try. I do have quite a large library of games, both on the PC and on the Xbox One X and the PlayStation Pro. I tend to get the sort of the latest and greatest, and have done for a long time. So I do have a bit of a library there. But if you feel that, you know, just let me know about a game that you would like me to try. I'm willing to try anything. I can't promise you I'll be any good at it, but hopefully we can have fun. We can create a bit of a community feel, and my ideal would be is that we get some regulars coming in and I get to know you as much as you get to know me, and we just have a laugh and relax and kick back. You know, I don't want to take it too seriously, and I think that's possibly the best approach. So if you want to see an old git gaming, which is what I'm calling it, then click on the links in the description of this video so you can add your Twitch, so you can follow me on Twitch and on Mixer, and we'll get this show on the road in the next couple of weeks and start streaming some games. Let me know which games, and thanks again. Catch you soon. Bye bye.